How to fix Gmail waiting for sync on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Gmail waiting for sync on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here you will find Gmail. Just type Gmail and you will find it, then click on it, and after that click for stop and then go to storage, click clear cache, and now go to permissions, allow all of those permissions here, and now just go back and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. But if that doesn't fix it, so just go to storage and click clear data, and that's it. Then just go back and log in again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.